Welcome, in front of me is DELL 7320 Detachable, and in this video I will show you how to check battery health on this device. First, open the Start menu, then search for the CMD application on the list and run it as administrator. Click Yes, and in the following field, which I'm gonna increase for you, you have to input PowerCFG spacebar / battery report, then press enter on your internal or external keyboard, and then select this path you see right here. It's more convenient for me to do it with the mouse, so select it and then press Ctrl+C, or basically just hold it down to copy it, or right click on it and then open your file explorer and paste this path into your path field. Then press enter and the battery report will appear on your screen. And here the only thing we have to look at is the design capacity compared to the full charge capacity. So the design capacity of your device is the original capacity that your device came with from the box, and the full charge capacity is the capacity of your device that it can reach when it's fully charged currently. So basically this number will go lower over time, so at some point your battery will start discharging very fast, and if you see that this number is significantly lower than this one, then you'll simply have to consider replacing your battery. So for now, as you can see, both numbers are equal. That means that the current charge capacity is equal to the design capacity of the device. So the battery health is basically 100% for now. So that's basically how you do it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.